The words ache, pain, sore, and hurt all describe an unpleasant feeling in our bodies. They can be easy to confuse. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use these words correctly, with lots of real examples. The difference between ache and pain. Ache is a constant feeling of discomfort. It is commonly part of a compound word like headache or toothache. It is not often severe. I have an ache in my lower back. Pain is a feeling of discomfort resulting from an illness or an injury. It can be severe but not constant. It may be limited to when you move in a certain way. The staff at the rehab center helped me with pain management. I used ice and took some pain relief medicine. Their meanings are slightly different, but the plural forms, aches and pains, are often used together. Standing up and taking a short walk down the aisle can relieve some aches and pains in your legs caused by long flights. Muscle aches and pains can be helped by taking a warm bath. Ache and pain, verb forms. Ache verb number 1. To feel a continuous pain that is not severe. After I ran the marathon last summer, my knees were aching for 5 days. Number 2. To have a strong desire for somebody/something or to do something. Louis ached to see Paris again. The verb pain means to cause somebody pain or make them unhappy. It pains me to see you upset. This is the only way we use the verb form of pain in conversation. Sore, adjective and noun definitions. The adjective sore: if a part of your body is sore, it is painful, and often red, especially because of infection or because a muscle has been used too much. The coach made us practice for 3 hours this morning. My whole body is sore now. The noun form of sore means a painful, often red, place on your body where there is a wound or an infection. The patient had sores on the heels of both feet. How to use the word sore. To use the noun form and the adjective form of sore correctly, we need to look at the grammar. A noun will follow an article. A, an, the. Or a possessive noun or pronoun, Steve's, hers, my, etc. I hope my cold sore goes away before we have our company photos. Adjectives will always follow a form of the verb to be. Ian's chest was sore after a hard workout at the gym. The word hurt can be used in 3 ways. As a noun, an adjective, or a verb. As a noun, a feeling of unhappiness because somebody has been unkind or unfair to you. You could feel the hurt and anger in her voice. As an adjective, injured physically. Luckily, no one was badly hurt in the accident. As a verb, to cause physical pain to somebody/yourself, to injure somebody/yourself. My knee hurts when I bend down. Visit the blog post that supports this video to learn even more ways to use the words ache, pain, sore, and hurt. You will find a free PDF download as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.